your video in app and were at unlimited number of chat features with Ethereum Blockchain technology, and without having to worry about proper execution. CryptoAds model is already implemented inside CFC.io project launched in 50 and 5 with 11 million registered users and profit generating returns. This project will be based to growing platform worldwide. Marketplace in industries for digital advertisements, spelling it will take 54% or 269 billion of all money spent globally in 18 with that first 50% or 335 billion by 2030. That's it. Bureau is a number one fastest growing and format in the world and has been doubling worldwide. 3/4 of all mobile traffic will be used for video in according to new reports by telecommunications equipment company Ericsson. Overall worldwide mobile data traffic will increase to 110 exabytes per month in 2033 according to Ericsson, or equivalent of 5 million years of streaming HD videos. It's a time to 14 exabytes per month. We used in 11 K in data traffic will 65 per 100 between QBs in 9 million mobile subscriptions and 85 billion mobile broadband subscriptions and 62 billion liquid mobile subscribers, 1 billion 1 billion 5G subscription for mobile watch, and in 2033 5G highly be eventually as Android or ARs by interest. Mobile traffic by application category per month. Yes. There's videos, audio, web browsing, social networking, software dollars, other file sharing. Yes. The challenges digital everything is overrun by middlemen, checker and force. High fee for everything. Publishers are powerless as network force. Loss less share. The solution: a powerful advertising from CryptoAds Marketplace built on Ethereum Blockchain technology. The blockchains allow us to create a more secure ads platform and better for both advertisers and publishers and anti-both. While blockchains, the next generation reputation system based on blockchains. Advertiser, starting the history of advertiser effort and reward. Operating in to see a full revenue advertising compare from different points in the different agencies. Prevention of unfair competition and underpricing of offer. Rating advertising agents based on amount and accuracy of rewards payouts. Users. The history of user activity in the blockchain system. Other priorities for rewards. Abilities of offer solicit priority advertising compares to super user based on smart contract. Reputation tracker system will have to detect and discuss forces and protest in advertisement needs. How CryptoAds Marketplace work. Participations and integration in the other user in a platform will vary of Ethereum based ERC to conclude us. Yes, this is me model. The platform for service bandwidth and computer capacity to vary the legitimacy and click and impressions, and in exchange for percent of the token payments quality is in the platform server and decentralized reference of the transaction between advertiser and publisher. Benefits for the pet check market instrument and market applications. Token functionalities. CryptoAds is blockchain token and power of the CryptoAds Marketplace is designed for superior performance and focus on micropayments by user to watch videos by produce and monetize they were and incentives in the network and by advertise to pay for a small amount of also attention. Then advertise needs to buy CryptoAds, creating a complete cross-site organic token economy on the platform. The token will be used for advertisers to pay for advertisement, publish to escape payment for advertisers, and your user for user to recover reward and advertisement inside CFC to redirect existing mean to payment. Intelligent with CFC. After finishing token sales, CFC will snapshot current balance and or future transactions to convert them into blockchain through conversions of existing CFC coin into cash. Waves that immediately just technology will change in the future. We are using Ethereum or ERC standard for creating to token that's freely transferred and subjective and used to ins of CryptoAds is limited with a fixed amount, so there will never be other grass uses. Blockchain will be key and history user activities. This activity log will be a basic smart contract to serve as based on various special criteria, including user platform, user types, and the reputation. Historical data analysis and smart targeting will be build up a token. CFC.io company are using now coins to reward users. You can download apps here in the link iTunes, in the link Google Play, and for Android operating system. Okay, second application. Yes, we are publisher and partner. Open pre-sale and sales, bounty and referral. Rewards to users, receiver on chance for the team. We will sell 40 of the token pools as recipe of 60 will be allocated to World Network and the reward publisher and user for purchasing service. User will get token reward to do discounts, free calls, or other service allocations, autonomy and operations, real and regression, marketing and sales, research and development, roadmap. Yes. December and January and 1st December CFC was started in 2020 and 11 in 20 13th 13th February R&D of app for iOS, Android, and OS X. In 10th June, Cloud Platform launch more users and more servers. In 2018 and 15th of May, Asia for once free sales, yearly stake crowd sales. In 15 June, Asia for choose milestone in cloud sales. In 16th July, launch token on Ethereum. Token rubies after and cross sale. In 25 July, Zenith Charlatan is on top cryptocurrency stock exchange. In 10th August, platform development. In 20 and 19th, in 15 January, platform launch. In 7th April, acquisition and convert existing as networks. There's a graphical expansions and growing the ecosystem. The team RSU Vanogladov, a founder and CEO. Yes, CEO founder, CTO, CFO Oscar Sanz, VP and business of development. Yes, Android developer. Right, okay, yes. Advisor, investor, Bravo. Yes. General series CFC. I see Global Inc. I see service of the crime telecommunication. Yeah.